Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Camp. As I said, I will be doing Halloween holiday visuals, period. So I am in Dollar Tree and this is what we're doing today. We're looking at Halloween visual. So let's get our decorations together. Okay, so I'm on this side right here, and everything say Harvest Fall Happy Halloween. It's $1.25. So creepy cloths, and these are like the biggest hit of all for Halloween. And here they are. They're $1.25. Now you're gonna see me grab some things because I have a Halloween decoration contest for my a tree and my mantle. So I will be doing those. So I'll be grabbing some things. All right, and I will film that and put it up. So I'm gonna grab some creepy cloth. I think I need two of these. And then do they have black? Oh, they do. They have black. I need two blacks and purple. I need some purple ones. They don't have them. Oh, oh no, they only have black and that beige. Okay. And they do have these, but I like mine to look a little more scarier than that. Just like with these. I like them to look more scarier. Probably the bigger my boys get, the bigger, the scarier they want it. So they also have these. It's so maybe I can take the cloth off of this. Let's see. I think I could take the cloth off this. I'm gonna grab one of these because I need a purple cloth. And yeah, got the rats. So you can do a rat one. Do that one. Definitely the bats. I think I bought a set of bats already. Really nice. Those are nice. So these skeletons, and then you have the witch. Yeah, and they are in purple and white. Great. You have these right here. Okay, some of these materials I have already, and some I do not. Okay, now I'm gonna grab this web, but I'm gonna be very careful about using it because it can really wreak havoc on the floor and everything else. So I'm gonna grab just one of those because I do need it for a couple of things. Okay, and they have these right here. Like I said, I want more scarier, and I did grab a couple of things already. Like that witch had to be good to hang between some things that I have. Okay, the skulls. Those are cute. Those are cute. But I actually grabbed these right here because these look a little more scarier. My boys want to be really scared. And we are making a fire pit this year. So I did grab some of these already. Grab feet. Grab some feet already. I did grab some hands already. Look at that. These gonna look nice in the pit. And these are more plastic, so I'm not gonna really like that really soft plastic. I don't really want those. You also get a, oh, this is nice. You get a stake with a chain hanging off, which is really nice. Hmm. Oh, look at those. Those are black skulls. I could barely see it, so I already know I ain't gonna get that. And then there's some in green. Okay, that's different. Sure, you could do a different things with it. You put candles in the top of them. That's what they'll look good at. We have the Halloween ghost with the hanging decoration. These are ghosts. Those are cute. And, and that's cute. I like that orange. Let me grab one of these. And also here, we got little hands, which is how many in here? 16. I'm gonna grab these. And then, oh, they got a keep out sign. Or, yeah, I'm going to grab one keep out sign because we need that. And go with these skeletons right here. And then you have the chains. And I do have some chains already. Okay. And I have these. Okay. Now, a lot of these right here you can redo. Like, you could take those and you could redo them. Pull these signs off and put them on other places. I do like this. It's a witch's brew served daily. I'm gonna get this sign because that could go with our fire pit. You have that. That's cute. Oh, look at this one. Now he's new this year. This one is new. Candy corn. If you're not looking for really gory, these will work. Here. And then there is Beware Count Dracula Drive, Bat Crossing, and Vampire Valley. That's pretty. That's cute. Okay, so they got their own book out. Okay, so that's cute. $1.25. I'm gonna grab this because I'm making a potions table with spells and potions on it. So these books will do good. I'm gonna get mastering that one. And this was new because I was here last week and it was Secrets of Stars. Oh, look at that. And I feel like you guys could make it to what you want to, which that's what I usually do. Now, let me show you guys some CDs right here. I bought these. I'm going to pick this off of here and it's going to be on my tree. It's going to be cute. And the fortunes with the different potions, you can pull those off and also hang them on the tree. I like that. Pick your treat. Ooh, I think I'll take that one. Again, these are things you can hang on a tree or put around a potions table. Enter if you dare. That's cute. All of these can go on your tree. Okay, here's another one. See, all these things you could double duty them. You could double duty those really easy. Okay, I'm not gonna try to put that back at the top again. The cauldron supply. Oh, I think I got a couple of these right here. Those are nice. So I need these right. These will go on the tree, on the table. I do have bottles for the tables though. And that's cute, but I do have 2 cauldrons. So, but this is cute. Like I said, if you could doctor up, you could put a bowl in the back of it, a candy bowl, and put it up, and that'll make a cute witch's brew bowl. Oh, this sign, look at that sign and say welcome. Wow. I think I'm gonna get that to go at my front. Okay, so see these are pictures. Those are cute, and they are really cute. So if you want to get something, some of them got a chalkboard on them you could use. This has the pumpkins on. Those are real cute. And then it's a bat on this one. And a book. Oh, perfect. Okay. These are witch hats. These little things, all of these things go on little bowls and eyeballs to go on different things that you want to create. So I already know about my books. That's one time to come to the books, guys. That's when you start, like these little books, you could refurbish them. You could put eyes on them. You could put that eye go good with that because it's purple. Spiders, you could put a rat on it. You could do so much stuff. Just recreating it. This is another little pack of like with, and this goes on the table. Just spread it around. Look at that. That's cute. Then you got all the buckets, candy buckets. My kids go, but they're gonna use pillowcases. My whole house will usually turn into Halloween, so these will be cute. So I will be getting those. But I think I have a couple of them. I like these right here, so I better grab 2 of them. Okay, guys. So next we are see these right here, the little LED lights. They go inside little plugs. So you can grab these, stick them inside the LED lights and the bowls and stuff. So I did grab a set of those. I grabbed 4 of them. My cart is filled. I'm going to go back to that so you can see it. Also, what I like is this. You literally could make a lot of little potions up and put it on this tray. Ain't that cute? Look at that. Oh my God. Now these were out last year. And I made a couple of things out of these. But these were out last year. Like I glued these together. I put a skull in it. That was great. And then I grabbed these because I am spray painting my Christmas tree. It's white. I need to paint it black. So I grabbed a lot of these because the tree is very skimpy. So I need to fill in the areas on the tree. So I grabbed these and I grabbed some black ones and I grabbed some of these. And they're in here already, right here. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, these are made out of foam, but little bitty balls, little bones. That's cute. But I'll be scared my cats or my dogs will eat that, so I won't get that. And then there's some little skulls. Oh, look at that. Trick or treating with gnomes. That's cute. Okay. Scarves. Ooh, they got Halloween bandanas. Those are cute. Okay. Okay, these are cute. Those are cute. These are cute, like glued to cups and stuff. Those are really cute glued to cups. This is gorgeous. If you could open this up, put a skeleton inside of it or a little head, it's cute. Oh, this new. I didn't see this last year. Okay. Hmm. And then you got those right there, the ribbon. And you have the legs. Now, if you have anything that you can put legs on, perfect time to buy these. You can stick styrofoam down them to make them stiff. And you have these, which I need some of these to go on my tree too. So I'm going to grab a couple of the black and purple ones, not the black and orange ones. Uh-oh. So, let's see. And let me see how many of these. I think I grabbed 4 because, guys, I got way too much stuff in my cart. Okay. All right. There we go with that. So I'll be doing a lot of E6000 glue this week. All right. And you have oh, he's cute. Look at him. He's cute. Okay. And you have those scarves. And I think I'm going to grab one of these scarves to wear. And I picked this one right here. Okay, guys, it was great talking with you. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's Coupon Camp if you enjoy these type of videos. Bye.